Hello everyone, in this video I'll be solving Cambridge IGCSE Information and Communication Technology paper 2 for October-November 2023. You are supplied with the following source files. I have copied the files here. Task 1, preparing the evidence document. You need to open the evidence file and you need to insert the candidate details on every page and save it as evidence followed by your candidate number. So this is the evidence file. I'll insert my candidate details in the header so that it appears on every page. Give your name, center number and candidate number, and it should be saved as evidence followed by your candidate number, and save it as Word document. Next, task 2, document. Using a suitable software, open the file n30 review.rtf. So I have opened review.rtf here. There are some settings given: A4, landscape and 2.5 margins. Do not make any changes. 3 styles are already created. Do not make any changes. Save the document as VG review and make sure it is saved in the format of the software you are using. So we need to save it as Word document. So let's save this. The name should be VG review and it should be saved as Word document. Place in your evidence document a screenshot to show this file has been saved. So go to your folder. Make sure the format is clearly visible here. Take the screenshot. That is your step 1 evidence. Paste the screenshot in your evidence document. Remove any page breaks from VG review document. So to see the page breaks, click on this symbol which will show all the paragraph marks and formatting symbols. So just click on this. So you can see there is a page break shown here. So just tap on backspace to remove that page break. One more page break is here. You need to remove that by pressing backspace. So all the page breaks are removed. Now you can deselect this so that all the marks are hidden again. Place in the header of the document automated page numbers left aligned. So insert header, automated page numbers left aligned. So you need to click here, go to page number, current position, choose the page number. Place in the footer. So now we need to insert the footer. So in the header we don't have anything here, so you can just remove. Place in the footer the text marked review by followed by space and your candidate details. It should be right aligned. So insert footer. Market review by. So you need to type market review by and then your name, center number and candidate number. Make sure all the alignments match the page margins. No other text or placeholders are included. and headers and footers must be displayed. So remove this text. We need only this text in the right. Select the subheading video games and the following text up to including the paragraph ending transactions and advertisements. So we need to find that paragraph. So press Ctrl F. You can just type the words here to find the paragraph. So you can see here you need to end transactions and advertisements. So from video games till transactions and advertisements, till this paragraph you need to select. And the page layout should be changed so that it is displayed in 2 columns of equal width with a 2 cm spacing. So go to layout, columns, more columns. You can select 2. Equal width is already selected here, so the spacing is 2 cm. Create and store the following style, basing it on default normal paragraph style. So now you need to create the style VG subhead. So these are the styles. Click on the scroll bar, create a style. So the style name is VG subhead. Type the style name here. Click on modify. Now the style should be based on the default normal paragraph style. So you need to select style based on normal. Sans serif 20 center aligned. So sans serif, you can add Arial, which is a sans serif font. 20 center aligned. Bold and italic. Single 00. So bold, italic. To set the line and paragraph spacing, go to format, paragraph. Line spacing must be single and the spacing before is 0 and after is also 0. Take a screenshot to show that you have defined the settings for the VG subhead style. So you need to take a screenshot of this. So let's take the screenshot. Give OK and OK. This has changed because my cursor was here, so just go back to body style here. Now let's paste the screenshot. Identify the 4 subheadings in the document. Apply the VG subhead style. So these are the 4 subheadings. These are the 4 subheadings. Let's apply VG subhead style. Locate and move the paragraph aggressive competition till game industry so that it appears as a new paragraph. So first let's find this paragraph, aggressive competition. So press Ctrl F. So this is the required paragraph. You need to move this to the paragraph ending gamer controls the action. So this paragraph we need. Let's find the other one. Gamer controls. So it should come after this paragraph. So from here you can cut this. can paste it here. Using the data in the file N2302 players.csv, create a vertical bar chart to show the distribution of online games for year 2022 only. So this is the required file. Let's make sure all the data are clearly visible. Now select the region and the data for 2022 only. So press Ctrl key and select this. Now you need to insert a bar chart. So go to Insert, Vertical Bar Chart. Label the chart as follows: Global Online Players. So this is the chart title. So you can click on this plus sign. Chart title is already shown here. So you can type the chart title here, Global Online Players. The category axis should be region. So click on axis title. So this is the category axis. You need to type the text region there. You can remove this. Display the data values along the top of each bar. Do not display a legend. So we don't have a legend here. Now go to data labels. Select data labels, so it will be shown on the top. Or you can check the options and select the required option. So here it is outside, and so it shows on the top of each bar. Format the value axis scale to display a minimum value of 0, a maximum value of 1500. So click on the axis, right click, format axis. The minimum is 0 and the maximum is 1500 with an increments of 300. So the increments will give here in major 300. Insert the chart after the paragraph ending game players in 2022. So let's find the paragraph. So game players in 2022. So this is the paragraph. Let's copy the chart. Now we need to paste the chart here. Make sure the chart and all data fits within the column width. All data labels are displayed and there is a 6-point space after the chart. So here all the data are completely visible and it fits within the column width. We need to make sure there is a 6-point space after the chart. So let's select this text which is after the chart. Go to paragraph, and before this you can give 6 point so that there will be a spacing after the chart. There is already a 6-point spacing. Next, the style name VG list has already been created and stored. Modify this list so that only the following formatting is applied. So let's go to VG list. So if you don't find the list here, click on styles. This is the style manager. You can see the VG list. Right click on it, modify. So we need to make sure only these styles are applied. So it should be sans serif. So, 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 10 align left to margin. The size is 10. Align left. Italic with numbered list 1, 2, 3. So go to format, numbering. We have to select this list 1, 2, 3. Give OK. And the line spacing should be single, space before and after 0. So go to format, paragraph. Line spacing is single, before and after spacing is 0. Place in your evidence document screenshot for the style settings of VG list. So let's take screenshot. So this is step 13 evidence. Format the paragraph that starts mobile gaming is expected, so that it is intended 1.5 centimeters from both left and right hand margins. So mobile gaming, let's find it, Control F. So this is the paragraph, mobile gaming. Right click, paragraph. So you can see indentation. So before text we have to give 1.5, and after text also we need to give 1.5, so that it is intended from both sides. Give OK. Spell check and proofread the document. So you can go to review, spelling and grammar. So you can see spelling here, click on spelling. The spelling of recent is wrong, so change it. And here rapidly it is wrong, so you need to change it. All others are grammar. We don't need to change it, just ignore. So the spelling and grammar check is done. Now make sure there are no widows or orphans. The list is not split over 2 columns. So you can see the list. This is the list, it's not split. Now we need to make sure there are no widows or orphans. So just select all text, right click, go to paragraph, go to line and page breaks, make sure widow and orphan control is set. Give OK, so that there are no widows or orphans here. No blank pages, original styles are maintained, all styles are applied consistently. So all the styles are applied and there are no blank pages. So everything is done. Now save the document and you need to print it. You can go to File, Print, and then print the document. So this is the end of the document production. Next task is database, which will be uploaded in another video. Thank you for now.